Hello guys, it is I, Zayap Guy, and welcome to a new video. We all watch YouTube, even you. You're on YouTube as well. In this video, I will be talking about types of programming YouTubers. Number one is the helpful guy. When we have a question, we usually want an answer. It is sometimes rare to get that answer. The helpful guy has you covered though, as he responds to every question. Number two is the leader of tech. I don't think I have to explain this one. Hello guys, it is me, Tech Maniac, once more to tell you about a new cryptocurrency that is totally not made by me. Wow, golly gee, what a coincidence that the coin is also called TM coin. Well, guess you have to buy $1 million worth of it. Number three is the terrible quality. Some videos are high quality content. The idea is brilliant. Everything is super high quality. Except the actual video file itself. Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a function in Python. First you write def, then you write the function name. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like. Number four is the merchant. There are tons of sites to buy programming courses from. Many people, however, just tend to stick to YouTube. But this type of YouTuber won't let you. Hello guys, today I will show you how to declare an integer in C++. But before I show you that, guys, go buy my course. It's only $2,000, guys. Uh, it will teach you basically nothing, but after completing it, you will be a very successful YouTuber like me. And you'll have the billions and trillions and quadrillions that you want, guys. Please buy it. Please buy it. Please buy. Number five is the 2009. I mean, you know what this is. You know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, here's some analytics. If you like this video, please subscribe. Zayip Guy out.